Hi, I'm Dr. Rachel Croto Cooper. Thank you so much for your interest in the deeper well functional medicine. I want to share with you a little bit about our practice so you can understand, hopefully, a little more clearly why we exist, who we serve, how we operate, and what you can expect should you decide to seek care through the deeper well. So, after 20 years of practicing in primary care, I founded this medical practice really in a way to respond to the needs in healthcare that I experienced and witnessed over and over again. As much as I loved caring for patients in primary care, there were some distinct challenges and limitations that I experienced, and maybe you have too. There's certainly a role for conventional healthcare, and there's benefits for sure to receiving care through the conventional healthcare system. However, in my experience, the conventional healthcare system, it really, the model retains three significant drawbacks. So, one, it's a symptom and disease management model. It's not generally equipped or focused on getting to the root cause of what's driving symptoms and driving disease. And two, it's a time constrained and volume strained system. So this often leads to your visits maybe feeling rushed, or maybe you feeling like you haven't been fully heard or your needs fully addressed. And three, it's often a one-dimensional approach. So it's often missing addressing all the dimensions that exist that make us who we are, that contribute to why we're struggling and what is impacting our disease risk and our quality of life. And the one dimensional approach, this really is missing you as a whole person. So at the Deeper Well, we've developed a practice with the goal of addressing these limitations. We use a science based and whole person and systematic approach to your care, and we have the tools, knowledge, and understanding to determine and treat the underlying cause of what's impacting your health and well being. I would also add that providing functional medicine through the Deeper Well has allowed me to practice medicine in a way that aligns with my values. I found that living a life in a way that aligns with my values has been incredibly important to my own health and well being. And that's something I'd encourage you to reflect on within your own life and how that might be impacting your health and well being as well. So, who is the Deeper Well right for? Well, it's right for anyone who's ready to do the work, to work together with our team who wants to partner with you in your health, and we'll do our best to support you. But curiosity, openness, and commitment on your part is incredibly important to the process of healing and regaining health. At the Deeper Well, we have the tools, we take the time, and we dig beneath the surface. We are really looking to get to the source of illness so you can discover the way to your own wellness. We are a consultative and membership based practice, and we don't replace your current healthcare team. We're really looking to enhance it by taking a functional medicine approach. So, our model of care is to offer an initial foundational assessment, and then, depending on what we determine will be the best next steps for you, there is also a building well being membership that is available for those for whom it's a right fit. The foundational assessment is a comprehensive baseline assessment that consists of multiple parts. We start with an in depth online health history intake so we can understand your story and how it connects to your health. Then you will have comprehensive blood work done prior to your appointments. There are three different visits with our healthcare team that make up the foundational assessment. The first is an initial consult with myself as the functional medicine physician, and then you also have available to you as part of the foundational assessment a visit with our functional health and nutrition coach, as well as our licensed clinical and mental health counselor. So, as part of the assessment, I'll review with you what I believe could be driving your overall health from a root cause level. We're looking for areas of imbalance that exist at a microscopic level and at a macroscopic level. So, we're zooming in, looking to understand your body and where imbalances are existing there, as well as within your environment and life. So we're really looking to leave you with a personalized health plan that provides foundational recommendations in the areas of nutrition, stress, sleep, exercise, and some initial supplementation, as well as recommendations about potential further workup that would be tailored to you to, again, get to a root cause level. So, in my professional and personal experience and my own health journey, I've found that making the changes required to improve health and well being, it takes time. It requires education and support. And so, if we try to make too many changes at once, we often get overwhelmed and frustrated and we'll just stop prematurely as a result. The Building Wellbeing membership is really aimed to help support you, much like you would train for a long race, where you want to take this functional medicine journey in stages, have a plan or roadmap that we really are laying out for you over the course of the year. And this will help you stay focused, will provide you with the support, coaching, accountability to really benefit you for the long run, as we're looking to make changes for your life, not just find quick fixes. So this is why I believe, the 12-month Building Wellbeing membership really meets the needs for true health transformation. This is where the deep work occurs. And within the membership, you have regular visits with myself, along with our certified functional health and nutrition coach. And then you also have the opportunity to meet with our licensed clinical and mental health counselor, because we often find that there's just ways that we're conditioned to think or operate and behave that often is having a negative impact on our health. And so through working with all three of us, there is the opportunity to truly move forward and break out of some of these ways that we often are stuck, and that's driving us to not be as well or as healthy as we aim to be. So through our integrated team, you'll dive deeper into your health and really hopefully understand the drivers of your symptoms and uncover new levels of health and well-being. And so if you're interested in having more information, you're truly interested in seeking care through the deeper well, then I would encourage you to schedule a discovery call. My aim for you and everyone who seeks care through the deeper well is that you would feel well, that you would live fully, and that you would be free to enjoy a life that adds meaning and value and purpose, not only for yourself, but for those around you. So thank you for your interest. Take care.